Welcome guys to Travel Tales. Travel Tales is the best place you could explore to get the best of traveling experience. Alright. In this video you're going to watch some English speaking country that will foster your tourism encounter. Communication becomes a problem if you want to experience tourism to its peak. Imagine you're going to countries whereby you are as a native English speaker, the destination you're going to for your tourism experience does not is not populated with English speakers. You find it difficult to communicate in English. So I urge you to take your time and watch the video to explore tourist countries whereby English is their language. Alright? English is their education system of education. Okay? So enjoy the video guys.
When traveling or relocating to a new country, communication can often be a significant barrier. For those who speak English, choosing a destination where English is widely spoken can make the transition smoother and enhance the overall experience. Many countries across the globe have embraced English as a second language, making it easier for travelers and expatriates to navigate daily life, engage with locals, and enjoy their surroundings. Welcome to Travel Tales. This guide highlights the top countries where English proficiency is high, ensuring that communication is not an obstacle, but rather an opportunity to connect and explore with ease. 1. Netherlands. The Netherlands is renowned for its high level of English proficiency, making it one of the best non-native English-speaking countries in the world. Approximately 90% of the Dutch population speaks English fluently, which is especially evident in major cities like Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and The Hague. English is often used in education, business, and daily interactions, making it easy for English-speaking visitors to communicate effectively and feel at home. The Dutch education system places a strong emphasis on learning English from a young age, contributing to the country's high proficiency levels. As a result, visitors will find that most signs, menus, and public information are available in English, and many Dutch people switch to English effortlessly when they encounter non-Dutch speakers. This ease of communication extends beyond tourist areas, allowing for deeper connections with locals and a more immersive travel experience. Moreover, the Netherlands' openness to international influences and its cosmopolitan culture further enhance its status as an English-friendly destination. Whether you're exploring the vibrant art scene in Amsterdam, cycling through picturesque villages, or conducting business in Rotterdam's financial district, you'll find that language barriers are minimal, allowing you to fully enjoy everything the Netherlands has to offer. 2. Sweden. Sweden is another country where English is widely spoken, with nearly 90% of the population proficient in the language. English is taught from an early age in schools, and many Swedes use English in their professional and personal lives. In cities like Stockholm, Gothenburg, and Malmö, English is commonly used in businesses, universities, and public services, making it easy for English-speaking visitors to navigate the country. Sweden's high English proficiency is also reflected in its media and entertainment. Many Swedes consume English-language movies, TV shows, and books, which further enhances their fluency. This cultural exposure to English, combined with a strong education system, means that Swedes are often comfortable conversing in English, making it simple for travelers to communicate and interact with locals. Beyond language, Sweden offers a welcoming environment for international visitors. The country's commitment to equality, sustainability, and innovation creates a friendly and open atmosphere, where English speakers can easily integrate into local communities. Whether you're exploring Sweden's stunning natural landscapes, participating in its thriving tech scene, or simply enjoying the country's high quality of life, you'll find that communication is effortless and enjoyable. 3. Denmark. Denmark ranks among the top countries for English proficiency, with about 86% of Danes speaking English fluently. English is widely used in education, business, and daily interactions, particularly in cities like Copenhagen, Aarhus, and Odense. Danish schools emphasize English language learning from a young age, ensuring that most Danes are comfortable using English in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. One of the reasons for Denmark's strong English skills is the country's exposure to English language media. Many Danes watch English movies and TV shows without dubbing, which helps them develop a natural proficiency in the language. This exposure, combined with the country's open and international outlook, means that English speakers will find it easy to communicate and connect with locals. In addition to its language skills, Denmark is known for its high quality of life, efficient public services, and strong social welfare system. The country's focus on sustainability, innovation, and work-life balance creates an environment where international visitors and expatriates can thrive. Whether you're exploring Denmark's historic cities, enjoying its modern design and architecture, or engaging with its vibrant cultural scene, you'll find that English is widely spoken, making your experience seamless and enjoyable. 4. Finland. Finland is another country where English is widely spoken, with approximately 70% of the population proficient in the language. English is a mandatory subject in Finnish schools, and many Finns use it in their daily lives, particularly in urban areas like Helsinki, Espoo, and Tampere. The country's high education standards and exposure to English language media contribute to its strong English skills, making it easy for English speakers to communicate and navigate the country. In Finland, English is often used in business, academia, and tourism, ensuring that visitors can easily access information and services in English. Finnish people are generally friendly and willing to switch to English when interacting with non-Finnish speakers, which enhances the experience for travelers and expatriates. Whether you're exploring Finland's beautiful natural landscapes, participating in its innovative tech scene, or enjoying its rich cultural heritage, you'll find that language barriers are minimal. Beyond language, Finland is known for its high quality of life, excellent public services, and strong social welfare system. The country's commitment to education, equality, and sustainability creates a welcoming environment for international visitors. Whether you're visiting Finland for work, study, or leisure, you'll find that communication is straightforward, allowing you to fully enjoy your time in this unique and fascinating country. 5. Norway. Norway is one of the top countries for English proficiency, with around 90% of Norwegians fluent in the language. English is widely taught in schools from a young age, and many Norwegians use it regularly in their professional and personal lives. In cities like Oslo, Bergen, and Trondheim, English is commonly used in businesses, universities, and public services, making it easy for English-speaking visitors to navigate and communicate. Norway's high level of English proficiency is also supported by the country's strong education system and exposure to English language media. Many Norwegians watch English TV shows and movies without dubbing, which helps them develop a natural fluency in the language. This exposure, combined with Norway's open and international outlook, means that English speakers will find it easy to connect with locals and enjoy their time in the country. Norway is also known for its stunning natural landscapes, from the majestic fjords to the northern lights, making it a popular destination for travelers seeking adventure and beauty. The country's high standard of living, strong social welfare system, and commitment to sustainability create a welcoming environment for international visitors. Whether you're exploring Norway's breathtaking scenery, participating in outdoor activities, or enjoying its vibrant cultural scene, you'll find that English is widely spoken, making your experience seamless and enjoyable. 6. Singapore. Singapore is one of the most English-friendly countries in Asia, with English being one of its official languages. Nearly everyone in Singapore speaks English, and it is the primary language used in education, business, and government. This makes Singapore an incredibly accessible destination for English-speaking travelers and expatriates. The city-state's multilingual environment also means that English is commonly spoken alongside other languages, like Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil, creating a rich and diverse cultural experience. In Singapore, English is the language of instruction in schools and universities, and it is widely used in the workplace and public services. Visitors will find that most signs, menus, and public information are available in English, making it easy to navigate the city and communicate with locals. Whether you're exploring Singapore's modern skyline, shopping on Orchard Road, or enjoying the diverse culinary scene, you'll find that English is spoken everywhere. Beyond language, Singapore offers a high quality of life, with excellent infrastructure, healthcare, and public transportation. The city's strategic location in Southeast Asia makes it a hub for business and travel, attracting professionals and tourists from around the world. Whether you're visiting Singapore for work, study, or leisure, you'll find that communication is effortless, allowing you to fully enjoy all that this vibrant and dynamic city has to offer. 7. Ireland is an English-speaking country, making it one of the easiest places to communicate for English speakers. As a member of the European Union, Ireland offers a unique blend of European culture with the familiarity of the English language. In cities like Dublin, Cork, and Galway, English is the primary language used in all aspects of life, from education and business to media and entertainment. Ireland's rich literary history and strong education system contribute to the country's high level of English proficiency. The Irish are known for their friendly and welcoming nature, making it easy for visitors to engage in conversations and feel at home. Whether you're exploring Ireland's stunning countryside, enjoying traditional Irish music in a pub, or working in the country's thriving tech industry, you'll find that language barriers are non-existent. In addition to its linguistic accessibility, Ireland offers a high quality of life, with a strong economy, excellent healthcare, and a vibrant cultural scene. The country's commitment to education and innovation has made it a hub for international business, particularly in the tech and pharmaceutical industries. Whether you're visiting Ireland for work, study, or leisure, you'll find that communication is effortless, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the country's rich culture and history. 8. South Africa. South Africa is another country where English is widely spoken, making it easy for English speakers to communicate. English is one of South Africa's 11 official languages and is the primary language used in government, business, and education. In major cities like Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Durban, English is commonly spoken, making it easy for visitors to navigate the country and engage with locals. South Africa's multilingual society means that English is often used as a common language among people who speak different native languages. This makes English an important tool for communication in both professional and social settings. Whether you're exploring South Africa's stunning natural landscapes, participating in a safari, or enjoying the vibrant cultural scene in its cities, you'll find that English is widely spoken and understood. Beyond language, South Africa offers a diverse and rich cultural experience, with a unique blend of African, European, and Asian influences. The country's high standard of living, excellent infrastructure, and thriving tourism industry make it an attractive destination for international visitors. Whether you're visiting South Africa for work, study, or leisure, you'll find that communication is straightforward, allowing you to fully enjoy all that this beautiful and diverse country has to offer. 9. Malaysia. Malaysia is another Asian country where English is widely spoken, particularly in urban areas like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru. English is a compulsory subject in Malaysian schools, and many Malaysians are fluent in the language. In addition to Malay, which is the official language, English is commonly used in business, education, and tourism, making it easy for English-speaking visitors to communicate and navigate the country. In Malaysia, English is often used alongside other languages such as Malay, Chinese, and Tamil, creating a multilingual environment that is rich in cultural diversity. This makes Malaysia an attractive destination for English speakers who want to experience a mix of cultures while still being able to communicate easily. Whether you're exploring Malaysia's vibrant cities, relaxing on its beautiful beaches, or visiting its diverse cultural heritage sites, you'll find that English is widely spoken. Malaysia's high level of English proficiency, combined with its affordable cost of living and diverse cultural attractions, makes it a popular destination for expatriates and tourists alike. The country's warm and welcoming people, along with its delicious cuisine and stunning natural landscapes, create a unique and enjoyable experience for visitors. Whether you're in Malaysia for work, study, or leisure, you'll find that communication is easy and that the country's rich cultural tapestry adds to its charm. 10. Philippines. The Philippines is one of the most English-friendly countries in Asia, with English being one of its official languages. Nearly everyone in the Philippines speaks English, and it is widely used in education, business, and government. This makes the Philippines an incredibly accessible destination for English-speaking travelers and expatriates. The country's multilingual environment also means that English is commonly spoken alongside Filipino, creating a rich and diverse cultural experience. In the Philippines, English is the language of instruction in schools and universities, and it is widely used in the workplace and public services. Visitors will find that most signs, menus, and public information are available in English, making it easy to navigate the country and communicate with locals. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Manila, relaxing on the beaches of Palawan, or visiting historical sites in Cebu, you'll find that English is spoken everywhere. Beyond language, the Philippines offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, with a rich cultural heritage and stunning natural landscapes. The country's warm and hospitable people, combined with its affordable cost of living, make it an attractive destination for international visitors. Whether you're in the Philippines for work, study, or leisure, you'll find that communication is effortless, allowing you to fully enjoy all that this beautiful and diverse country has to offer. When choosing a destination, Ease of communication is a crucial factor for many travelers and expatriates. The countries listed here stand out for their high levels of English proficiency, making them ideal choices for those who want to explore new cultures, build professional networks, or simply enjoy their travels without language barriers. Whether you're drawn to the cosmopolitan cities of Europe, the innovative hubs of Asia, or the diverse landscapes of Africa, these countries offer a seamless and enriching experience for English speakers.